Health insurance premiums are calculated based on a variety of factors that insurers use to assess the risk associated with providing coverage to an individual or a group. Understanding these factors can help you make informed decisions when choosing a health insurance plan. One of the primary factors influencing health insurance premiums is age. Generally, older individuals are more prone to health issues, so insurers often charge higher premiums to offset the potential increased medical expenses. Individual health plays a significant role in premium calculations. Insurers may consider pre-existing conditions, past medical history, and current health status. Those with fewer health risks may enjoy lower premiums. Certain lifestyle factors such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can impact health. Insurers often take these into account when determining premiums, as they contribute to higher health risks. The extent of coverage also affects premiums. Comprehensive plans with lower out-of-pocket costs tend to have higher premiums, while plans with higher deductibles and copayments usually come with lower premiums. The cost of healthcare varies by region. Insurance companies consider regional differences in healthcare costs when setting premiums. Urban areas with higher medical expenses may have higher premiums compared to rural areas. If you're purchasing a family plan, the number of individuals covered influences the premium. Family plans cover multiple people, so insurers adjust the premium based on the size of the family. Different insurance companies may use different algorithms and criteria to calculate premiums. Shopping around and comparing quotes from various providers can help you find the most competitive rates. In some regions, government regulations may dictate how insurers calculate premiums. This can include factors like community rating, which prevents insurers from charging vastly different premiums based on individual health. Understanding these factors can empower individuals to make informed choices when selecting health insurance plans. It's essential to strike a balance between coverage and cost, ensuring that the chosen plan meets specific health needs while remaining affordable.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.